Oh, okay, it's good. Okay, and more time testing the camera. Balik natin. Okay, that's good. Okay, welcome muli po the final third and final game for today between In-Flights and QR Towers. Ayan. Last game po the day po tayo yun. Last game na po tayo. Last game. In-Flights versus QR Towers. Okay, In-Flights versus QR Towers po tayo yun. Final game for the day po is In-Flight versus QR Towers. This is your Aviation Friend League, Dabas sa Flying League, third season na po tayo. We would like to thank the following sponsors: Trading List and LBC, hari ng padala, Team LBC, hari ng padala, and of course, Power by SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ Basketball League. To join our league sa PSBQ po, just visit the page for details. First quarter action. Galbo, dito ka. Sir. Okay, ito na. QR Towers, 2 points, QR Towers. Okay. Excuse me, may papaswibe muna, pag-pivot. Ano lang?
Ganun pa lang.
Ganun. May di magsalita kayo, sige.
Ay! Ay! Sideline! Ano yun? Doon ka na! Bye-bye!
Again, pwede na po.
Pwede na?
Salamat po. Thank you. Okay, that's si Madam Jovi. Salamat po. Okay, now si Lope. Foul committed. Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you. Foul committed, number 27. Okay, now malakas ang pasa. Foot race, 1. 2 points by number 11. QR Towers now enjoying the 6-point lead. 6 over none. 27. No good. Rebound battle now won by In-Flights. Sa ilalim, pinasa pero may foul. 27 called for the foul. In-Flights inbounding. 69. 5 bilang bola. 5 pops up for 2. Yes, sir. Philip 5, naka 2. 6 itong score po natin at 7 minutes 21 remaining. Jason Ziba, it's watching. No good. Wala si Darko. 28 pops up for 3. No good. Okay. Back again po sa QR Towers ang bola. QR Towers pamitangan ng bola. QR Towers. Stolen away. On the run and roll. 2 points, number 7. Jaworski. Number 7, 2 points. Pops up for 3. Nako, 17. Foul! Ouch. Foul. Number 31. May lamok na malaki. Number 17, shooting for 2. First shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. Wala si Darko, ha. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, one-hander. No good. Again, 69, naka-rebound. 69, 18, now to Philip. Lost the ball. Stolen. 27. Ayun. Malakas. One more time, 2 points. 9-4 na score, 5 minutes 55 remaining. Both teams po, wala po ganong player. Sa QR Towers, isa lang ang kanilang pamalit. Sa kabila na po, meron silang isang set. PE, pasok ang bola kay P. Kay Mr. PE. Almost lost the ball. Still same ball po rin po tayo. 9-6 score po natin. 5 minutes 21 remaining. First quarter action. Okay, to number 18. Driving. Number 6. Velasco. Wala. And same ball po tayo. Malamang. Same ball nga, same ball. Same ball. Last na si Velasco. Change 5 tayo. Change 5 please. Change 5. Change 5 po tayo ngayon. Thank you. Okay. Ayun na. Number 27. Hounded. Driving. No good. Nice D. Nice D. Mercado. Di Makali. Di Makali think it's strong. Malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang pasa kay number... Sino ba to? Number 12. Number 12. Malakas ang pasa kay number 12. Pero sa legit center, ha? Ang in-flights may legit center siya by the name of number 12. By the number 12. Number 18 pops up. No good. Enteng. Ayun. 2 points. 2 points si Enteng. Nandiyan din pala. Velasco, Lumako nilabas. Rebound, Hirwa. Di Makali. Mercado, malakas ang pasa kay Mercado. Balik muli po sa green ang bola. 3 minutes 51 remaining. First quarter action sa ating tagpong ito. Okay, time out. QR Towers. Pumura tayo. Game. Okay, after the timeout, no, still 9-8 score po natin. QR Tower still enjoying the first only 1 point game, 1 point lead. Mercado, sinasalubong. Enteng, nasa loob na rin. Enteng. Hirwa, nice guard, pero di umubra. Enteng. Enteng, may tahan ng bola. Enteng. Enteng. Malakas ang pasa ni Enteng. Balik muli po sa QR Towers ang bola. Bolsik. Bedzeg. Ano muna? Bedzeg yan, Bedzeg. Galvo over 3. No good. Hirwa. Garbo. 2 points Garbo. 2 minutes 50 remaining. Good ball, walang tawag. Di Makali. Enteng. Hop, foul. 24 holding foul. 2 minutes 31 remaining. 13-8 ang score po natin. Mercado, Hirwa, double team, power move. Ayun na, good ball. Ball zig. 2 points. Bayan. Di Makali. Binabantayan. Double team na siya. Power move to number 4, Mercado. Pops up sa kabila. Yes, sir. Pasok. 25, 2 points. Manapat. That's Manapat. Ten. Against Di Makali. Hilwa takes strong. Hilwa foul. Hilwa shooting for 2. Kay Mr. Hirwa. That's number 12. Hirwa shooting for 2. And also, good luck pala po sa ating Philippine contingent pala sa upcoming GCC, Inter-GCC Basketball League. Ingat. Good luck po sa inyo sa team po nila Chongson, Big Man Chongson, si Spark, Cristobal, and company po. Sama po natin po si Nino Gaelic na kanilang kasama rin. Good luck po sa inyo, and again po, bring home the gold. Maraming salamat po, and good luck po sa inyo parati. From Event Horizon Vlogs at Arvin G Vlogs po, good luck po sa inyo. Hirwa, wrong pass. Mercado. Uy! Good ball. Still completed. Mercado, 2 points Mercado. Nag-abang na lang na mapasahan. Mercado, 2 points. 50 seconds remaining. 15-12. Again, driving, Core Towers. Underman, Core Towers. Power move, wala. Di Makali to Mercado. Mercado, binabantayan. Di Makali, naulumusot. 2 points. 2 points, Di Makali from Mercado. 21 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. Velasco. Nako. Same ball. Inflights ball. Okay, that's it. 15-14 ang score. Laman pa rin po ang QR Towers po ng isa. Okay, teka lang. Idol, ingat ha. Ito. God bless. Pero yung sapatos to. Wala. Hindi ano. Sing yan, uy. Okay, that's it. 15-14 na score po natin yun. Laman pa rin po ang QR Towers po ng isa. Sapatos, oh. Okay, green defense. Peñalaba. Magdi Makali. Eto na. 69, pops up. High looper shot, no good. Same ball. Pops up again for 3, no good. Okay, rebound. completed by Mr. Mateo. Mateo completed. Velasco 2. Number 24, Velasco, and Velasco sidestep. Ayun sa ilalim, pasa, palpal, pero may foul. Po tayo, may foul. You're watching right now the game between Inflights and Pure Towers. Second quarter action na po tayo yun. This game is brought by Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, and of course, Thread and Needles. And also this game is also brought to you by SBP Pilipinas, so keeping the name in a neat and orderly fashion. And also PSP Basketball League. To join our league, just visit the FB page for details. Yan. PSP Basketball League po yan kay Coach Aison. Okay, Kume Aison. Foul number 18. Foul number 18. Number 18 called for the foul. Dimakali again. Scanning for 3. No good. One more time. Dimakali power move. 2 points. 2 points. Dimakali. Velasco nagmamalib. Velasco palpal. Nice block. Inbound. Ball coming. Okay. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound by Dimakali against Mateo. Eto na. And now, 7, malakas. Number 7, Lope, malakas pa rin. And one more time, wala pa rin. 8 minutes. Dimakali, power move. Dimakali, 2 points, Dimakali. Velasco, may tangan ng bola. Velasco. Number 6. Mateo. Ayan. 17. Nice one. 2 points. 2 points. Dimakali. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound. 2 points. Ako lumabas. 18 all ang score. 18 all. Velasco may tangan ng bola. 18. Velasco may tangan ng bola. Pinasa muna kay number 24. 24. Kumuha ng pick. 17. Mateo. Driving. Ayun. Nice one kay Velasco. Dimakali. Binabantay ng number 24. Nice one. Ay nakalusot. PE. Mr. P. Foul! Foul P. Second quarter na po tayo. 6 minutes 31 remaining. Kick pass. Good ball. Balakas. Ito na. Mateo driving. Mateo, foul. Natawag, huli. Nahuli si Mr. Dimakali. Hinawakan ng player. Mateo. Velasco. Mateo again. Bidzig. Number 12. Number 17 rather. And now, Galvo, strong move. Kapos. No more. Out of bounds. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. Dito mama sa ring. Shot clock violation. O pre, ayos ka na? Okay. Balik muli po tayo. 5 minutes 20 of 2018. QR Towers leading by 2. 69. Mali pinasahan. Hindi yan kasama. Nasa labas yan. Change 5. Change 5, change 5. Okay, sa kabila sa Secretary Sport, si number 24 magpapahinga muna. Sa kabila naman, of course, sa grupo po nila Mr. Philip, si Enteng, si Hirwa, si number 25, at si Mercado, number 4. 5 minutes remaining. 10. Velasco, power move, no good. Mateo, wala pa rin, ayun. Rebound, Mercado, driving, slowly. Hirwa, 25, walakas. Mateo, dinadriving. Mateo, side step move. 2 points. Velasco. Nice! Tap out by Mr. 17. 4 minutes 27 remaining. And a timeout called by Team QR Towers. Ay, mata. Woo! Ay. Okay, game tayo. Game. Okay, Enteng papasok na. Mercado, Hirwa. Again, pops up Mercado and one play made. Basket count para kay Mercado. Talagang walang takot si Mercado. Yan ba'y kapatid ba ni Jenny Lee Mercado? Okay, Mercado, number 4, shooting for 2 for bonus. Pito! Wala, rebound battle, won by number 26. Wala pa rin, that is 0, wala pa rin. Okay, nakuha ng Pure Towers ang bola. Pure Towers. Foul! Foul by Hirwa. Hirwa called for the foul. Number 12, Hirwa. Foul, 4 minutes, 1 remaining. Velasco. Mateo to Velasco. Driving strong. Wala. No foul. Mercado. Nagmamadali. Mercado. Nice pass deflected out. Again, balik muli pa sa Pure Towers ang bola. 3:33 remaining. Number 18. Stop. Good ball. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 18. Wala. Lumabas. Hindi na kontrol yung bola. Out of bounds para kay number 18. Balik muli po. Sack in play ang bola. 3 minutes 5 remaining. Enteng. Hirwa. Enteng again. Out of bounds. 2 minutes 45 remaining. 22-40 ang score. Mateo. Velasco. Kapos. Hirwa. Baseball pass kay Mercado. Deflected by number 17. Okay, number 25. Inbounding. Philip. 25. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound to top. To Enteng. Mercado. 2 points, Mercado. Finding the right man. Okay, back to the ball muli po tayo. Tied ball game po tayo at 2:22 all. A minute and 44 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Number 17, Bidzig. Driving. 2 points, Bidzig. Unorthodox layup. Nakita po natin yan. Scoop shot. Hirwa. 2 points, Hirwa. Okay, shoutout kay Sher Akain. Sabi ro, shoutout idol from Mansura. Maraming salamat po, sir. Ba't wala ka rito, sir? Team nyo to, ah. Mercado for 3. No good. Rebound ni Velasco. Nakalusot. Velasco leading the charge. Velasco. Number 10. Palpal. Philip 5. Philip driving. Enteng. 2 points. Nothing but net. Number 18. Thinking 3. Pops up for 3. No good. Velasco recovering. Nakuha ni Mercado ang bola. 20 seconds remaining. Mercado, 2 points back to back. Okay, ito na po. Binababa na po. 7 seconds remaining. 27-28. 2 points. And back to the ball game. Muli po tayo. The score is 29-28. Lamang po ng isa ang team QR Towers. After 2 quarters of intense ball game, lamang po ng isa po ang QR Towers po, 29-28. Coming up next po is the third quarter action. Pero bago po lahat po, announce po tayo. You're watching right now, of course, in flights. Injury ka, boss. O sige, boss, ano lang. Pagaling ka kagad, boss. Pagaling ka, kapatid. Okay, in flights and QR Towers. At also, bukas po, ayan po ang Airport United versus Los Hermanos. And second game po is, of course, Mechanicos and Contact Center. Bukas po yan, Saturday basketball action. You're watching our Friday basketball night. Between, final game po tayo yun, QR Towers versus In-Flights. Velasco for the inbound. Gitna lang po, sir. Okay, ito po yan. Velasco, pinasa po kay number 10. Number 18, pinasa kay number 27. Pasok ba? Hindi, lumabas. Mercado leading the charge at 9 minutes 40 remaining. Mercado. Pops up for 3. Bang! Nope, it's good. It's good. Nako ni Velasco, sidestep move. Velasco, ayun. Malakas ang pasa. Recovery, ball recovered by 24. 2 points. Mercado, charging. Ay! Hindi pumasok. Ay! Mercado, 2 shots awarded kay Mercado. The score is 31-28. A 3-point lead being enjoyed by QR Towers. The men in green. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready for Mercado. Pops up. It's in. 31-29. 9 minutes 15 remaining. Third quarter action. Bargamento. Velasco. No good. Mali pinasahan. Mercado. Need na yung mag-isa. Mercado. 2 points, Mercado. Tabla, 31. Velasco naman. 2 points, Velasco. Binawi ka agad na lamang. Di Makali. Wala pa si Mungkal yan, Mercado. Di Makali. Thinking 3. 3 nga. Nag-3. No good. Hilwa rebound. Pero di na kontrol ng kanyang rebound. Balik muli po sa green ang bola. Mint green ball. The men in green. Okay, ito na, number 9. Balisada. Bargamento. Pops up. Yes, sirree. 2 points. That's 17. 2 points. Ito na po tayo. Ito na. 59, 69. 69. Di Makali. Mercado. No good. Rilwa. Power move. No good. Galvo. 24. Bargamento. Bargamento driving. Kick pass kay number 10. Pops number 3. Kapos. The score is 35-31. A 4-point lead being enjoyed by QR Towers. At remaining 7 minutes 18 remaining. And now, still completed now for QR Towers. QR Towers driving strong. No good. One more time. Palpal. Hirwa called for a foul. Number 18 shooting for 2. Bargamento shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Bargamento. Pops up. Kapos. Mercado. Di Makali. Di Makali driving strong. Foul. Paul Velasco for sure. Sumabit si Velasco kay Di Makali. Timeout. QR Towers. QR Towers taking a breather. King. 2 shots para kay Di Makali. First throw ni Di Makali. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Para kay Di Makali, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. 35-32, a 3-point ball game. 6 minutes 39 remaining. Nice pass, malakas. Malakas masyado pasa. Four. Still completed. Almost. Mercado for 3. No good. Hirwa. 2 points Hirwa. 35-34. Ten. Velasco for 3. No good. One more time. Hop! Good ball. Ball recovered. 35-34. Jorogue, Sir Jorogue din po si Sir. Good ball. Hirwa. No good. Rebound battle won by number 17. Iyasa si Salado. Good din po si Sir. No good. Pagod na. Di Makali. No good pa rin. Uy! Okay, substitution. Okay, substitution. Hindi traveling yun, naging journey na yun. Naging journey na. Ang dami. The score is 35-34 at 4 minutes 38 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Nice one! Nice point by number 31 off the glass shot. Okay po tayo yun na Bidzig. Bidzig. Driving strong. No good. And touch last by in-flights. (17) 2.17. Binawi ka agad ng Kalamangan. 17. Enteng, may tahan ng bola. Si Enteng. Enteng. 25. Manyapak. No good. Rebound. Battle won by 17. 17. Driving. Galvo. Di si Galvo yan. Tansya ko. Galvo. Kick pass. Number 10. Number 6, Velasco. Driving strong. Nako, sayang. Nice wrap pa sana. Pero wag muna raw, ayaw nila. Enteng. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound won by number 17. Number 24, Galvo! 2 points, Galvo. Forward in motion by Galvo. It's good. Enteng, may tanga ng bola si Enteng yun. 39-36, lamang muli po ng tatlo ang team QR Towers. Pops up, short stab, no good. Rebound battle again by in-flights, wala pa rin. Isa pa, pops up, kapos pa rin. Rebound now by QR Towers. Pahinga muna, napagod na. Velasco. Number 10. 24, Galvo. 10. Pops up for 3. No good. Velasco, trailing job. Pops up. Malakas. One more time. Pa! Same ball, touch na si Enteng. Same ball, touch na si Enteng. Okay, Velasco. May tanga ng bola, Velasco. 17, no good. No foul. 1 minute 45 remaining. Di Makali. Enteng. Nice one. Sliding. Di Makali to number 7. No good. Again, second chance points. Good ball. Mateo naka-rebound. 1 minute 18 remaining. 39-36. Steal completed. Di Makali, kick pass kay Lope. Lope nagantay muna. 3-on-2 situation. Enteng. Short stab. Bang! 39-38, 51 remaining. (24) Velasco. Driving. Velasco, palpal. Velasco shooting for 2. First shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. No good pareho. 17, wala pa rin. One more time. Yes, sir. 52 nga ba tayo? Di Makali. Wala. Again, one more time. Lope. Di Makali. Okay, ano muna? Kay Enteng muna. Enteng. Lope, driving strong. No more. Nice defense. Being set. And that ended the third quarter action. The score is 41-38. Lamang pa rin po ang team QR Towers ng 3. Green defense. Final 10 minutes. 41-38 ang score po natin. Ang score po natin. Final 10 minutes. Okay, that's Penalba. Na to Mercado may tahan ng bola. Mercado may tahan ng bola. Now to Di Makali to Mercado again. Binabantayan Peñalalba for 3. No good. Nandun si Di Makali 2 points. 41-40. 9 minutes 43 remaining. Being guarded. Number 10. 17! 2 points, 17. No foul. Nice effort by number 17. Nakuha na yung kanilang puntos ngayon. Di Makali. No good. Huwag muna. And now pops up. Wala. Number 69. Down. 8 minutes, 56 remaining, 43-14 score po natin. Pe. 28, hounded. Di Makali for 3. Bang! Number 12 for delay the game. Warning. Sino yun? Foul. Bargamento number 18. They're now pressing full court, pressing in place. Hands up! Bargamento. Number 18, nakipit. Number 10. Number 10. 24, slicing. 2 points. 2 points, 24. 7 minutes, 53 remaining, 45-40, fourth quarter action. Di Makali. Mercado naman, no good. Rebound para Hirwa, 2 points. Hirwa, 2 points tayo, 2 points. Di Mangali, binabantay si Bargamento. Nakalusot. Seventeen. Number 10. Velasco. Foul! Kung kailan patapos na ang oras, nag-foul pa. 7 minutes, 10 minutes, 45 all po tayo. Salamat sa 3 points di Makali kaya tumabla ang laban. Mateo. Mateo driving strong. Good ball. Di Makali, 2 points si Makali. Sila, Mr. Sila is already watching also. Cal, number 24. Velasco. Velasco nakalusot. Velasco. Lifting violation. 6 minutes, 32 remaining. Timeout called by Team QR Towers. Okay, you're watching right now still In-Flights, final game po ito. In-Flights versus QR Towers. And we'd like to thank the funding sponsors. Of course, ito po yung aming powered by Team SBP and PSBQ Basketball League. And of course, our team major sponsors po. Maraming salamat po and back to the ball game. Mercado at 6:45-47. Peñalaba for 3, no good. Hirwa again, same person, 28. Di Makali for 3. Bang! Back-to-back 3 points for Di Makali. Okay, 45-50. 45-50 po tayo. In-Flights looking also to win number 6. Tying with Cass. Velasco. Palpal. Foul. May foul tinawag. Okay, mayroon ditong comment. Sabi po ni Mr. Villarosa, go mga angkol ng In-Flights. Ari Sires watching also. James Nunes watching. David Zolis watching. Si Scott nandyan pa rin po. Okay. First shot no good. Diba? Pagod na rin. Tansya ko. Fatigue is already setting in now for sure for QR Towers. Wala silang kapalit kasi. Second shot, pasok. 46-50, 5 minutes 32 remaining. Mercado. Okay, lamang daw. Sinasabi, pinapalanan niya, lamang daw sila. Okay, steady lang tayo, steady lang. Di Makali naman ang bola. Di Makali for 3. Malakas. That's Mateo. Mateo driving. Mateo, 2 points Mateo. 48-50, it's only 2-point ball game. Mahaba pa yan. Velasco almost had the ball. Di Makali again. Di Makali driving strong. Hirwa. Nakalusot. 2 points Hirwa. Number 18. Number 18, driving strong, still completed. Dunk! Lope, 2 points. One more time, 2 points. 4 minutes, 22 remaining. Go! Dito may sinasabi dito. 17! Malakas! Velasco, trailing job. Velasco naman, sa ilalim. 2 points, Velasco. Sabi rito, go D-Mac. Go KD. Sabi ni Christian Tan. Di Makali, go daw sa'yo. Sabi ni Christian Tan. Okay, Mercado, 50-54. 3 minutes 50 remaining. 3 minutes 47 remaining. Mercado, Di Makali. Palpal, pero may foul. Holding foul called. Sabi ni Christian Tan, go D-Mac. Go Di Makali, sabi niya. Okay. Shooting for the free throws. Number 69, pops up. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready kay Mr. Second free throw ni jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Velasco, malakas. Naka-rebound. Pagod na. The fatigue factor is setting in. Shout out kay Raymond Di Makali. Most durable player of the game. Most durable player. Still completed almost. Still completed na nga ni Mercado. 2 points Mercado. And it's a timeout called by QR Towers. Sabi ni 3D Ner Canton. Wala to si Canton kanina. Canton, wala ka kanina sa laro nyo Okay, sabi rin, shoutout kay Fred Di Makali. Jurex, durable player of the game. Ayos. Okay, 2 minutes 52 remaining. The score is 50-59. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Lamang na po ang In-Flights. In-Flights looking for win number 6. Also straight wins. Win number 6. 22 minutes 48 remaining. 50-59. Velasco. 24, driving strong. Naipit, 2 points. 52-59. Kaya pa yan. Sige. Di Makali. Christian Tan, Jurex. Pops up, Hirwa. Velasco, naku yung bola. Velasco, 2-on-3 situation. Velasco, 2 points. Velasco, back-to-back ball game. 54-59. Lamang na po ng 5 ang team In-Flights. Another stop will do it. 2 minutes remaining. Last 2 minutes. Di Makali for 3. Ayaw. 3-second violation ni Kahirwa. Okay. Timeout called by Team In-Flights. Okay, minute 47 remaining. The score is 54-59. Inbounding is QR Towers. Game, Velasco. Velasco to Mateo. Mateo. Binabantay ni number 7. Velasco again. Velasco. A minute and 38 remaining. Velasco gain strong. Down. Dinibigyan. Wala pa. 4 team fouls. Para sa in-flights. 4 team fouls. Mateo. Next foul pa, it will be shooting foul. Penalty situation. Okay. Pure Towers now. Number 17. Binabantayan. 17. Pops up Mateo. No good. Foul. Technical foul called. Number 7. Clapping. Clapping. Technical foul number 7. Ano sinabi dito? Okay, basket made. Mateo good. Christian Tan, ang sarap mo, Dimac. Ginawang pagkain, ha. Okay, numbers 24. 55-59. Apat lang yan. Uy! Good ball, good ball. Mateo, 2 points, Mateo. Di makalig. They have to win this. They have to sink this. Di makalig, nakalusot. Di Makali again. Di Makali. Walang foul. Help ball situation. Who's ball rep? Green ball. Help ball situation, green ball. Green ball. Okay, chance now for QR Towers to tie the ball game and send this game into possible overtime. 57-59. Velasco. 45 seconds. Velasco, strong move. No good. Mercado. Di Makali. Hirwa. Kapos. Again, held ball situation. Teka, wait, pinulikat. Tapilok, pulikat. Ray Keane is watching. Same ball, held ball situation, same ball. Okay, si number 37, labas muna dahil pinulikat na kasi. Si Pep pumasok muna. $25 seconds remaining. 14 shot clock. They need to steal this ball game and to send this foul. 21 seconds remaining. Malayo pa. Velasco. 24. 2 points. Tabla. 15 all. Time out. Called. Timeout called by cured by in-flights. 59 all. Number 17 scored the ball. and sending this game into a possible overtime. 14 seconds remaining. 14 seconds to shoot for in-flight. Again, good luck po pala po sa ating Philippine contingent po para po sa GCC. Headed by Chongson, Big Man Chongson and company. Good luck po sa inyo and bring home the gold. Maraming salamat po. Good hunting. 14 seconds remaining. They will go now for the last shot. Pay for the inbound. Pay inbounding. Velasco binabantay si Mercado. Velasco binabantay si Mercado for sure. Dahil siya yan ang maraming tumapos. Di Makali driving. Foul! One more time. Okay. This is the final 10 seconds. 59 all. Velasco, binabata si Mercado. Okay. Ayun na. Ayun, Pepe! 2 points, Pepe! Wait, teka lang. Wait. They're contesting the call. They should be given at least 3 to 4 seconds remaining. For sure, they're given now. Okay, 1 second given. 1 second given. 1 second given. Catch and shoot. Catch and shoot. Okay, that's it. In-flights escaping the game. Final score 59-61. Oh, picture na. Paki-balance po, please. Balance. Okay, congrats on winning the game. In-flights, final score 59-61. Sige pa, sir.
Official mo tayo, sir, ha?
Okay.
1, 2, and...
Okay, po siya yan, okay. Marami sa po, okay, in-flights po, kawin na lang po. Okay, yan. Win number 6 also, I think so. Win number 6. Okay, sino ang best player? Who's the best player of the game? Sino ang best player of the game? Sige po. Okay, siya po ang ano.
Sir, kanan ka.
Okay, number 69 si Pe, ang best player of the game.
1, 2, and best player of the game.
Okay.
Alright. Interview tayo, sir.
Kasi dito, back. Pe, isikat ka sa akin, dito tayo. Background ka lang ng team mo. Okay, Mr. Pe, congratulations for winning the ball game, Mr. Pe. Sa pagkwento ko sa final 10 seconds po ng fourth quarter action po natin bago baran yung paano nyo nakuha yung 2 points.
Ano lang, patient lang, tapos kausap na yung team, relax and play the game.
You also won na win number 6 also, no?
Yes.
Wala pa rin talo rin.
Wala rin.
Okay, sir, ano po, sir? Kung ano po pa sa asahan for the last 3 games? For sure, may makakalaban pa kayo. That discuss another perfect thing din po, sir.
Ano lang, play the game lang and enjoy the game lang. Yan lang. At usap lang mga play.
Okay.
Subscribe niya sa ano pangalan niya, sir?
Ha?
Ano pangalan niya?
Hello, Martin Iberisto. Okay.
Sa sa nagla-live sa atin, ating
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
Okay, no, so, sir, sige po. 1 minute shoutout po, sir.
Shoutout
1 minute shoutout.
Member ng Ilonggo Beach at Qatar Airways staff. Thank you po. Thank you.
1 minute po maniwan.
Yan lang po.
Isang minuto yan.
At sa lahat ng kasali sa liga. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, but that's it po. Winning the game po is team in flights. Until now, 6-2 natin pa rin po sila. Kawin na lang po. Maraming salamat po. And also, shoutout po kay Dimakali. Jurex. Jurex, durable player of the game. Sabi nila Tan. Okay, maraming salamat po. And with it po, maraming salamat po. And so next time po, tomorrow, basketball action sa ating Qatar Aviation Friendly League, the Basta Flying League. Thank you po. Thank you very much.